Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name's Miss Wangui Moitathi, and today we will be talking about simple ways to grow your wealth. I'll be giving you 7 simple strategies to grow your wealth. No big budget needed. Stay tuned. We will start by talking about starting small with investments. Do you know you can start an investment with as little as 100 Kenyan shillings? That's equivalent to almost $1. I said almost $1. Yes, you can start an investment account or you can start investing with just 100 shillings. Yes, you can start small. Some time back, we didn't have investments that allowed small startups. You couldn't invest with little money, but nowadays that's possible. And we also have apps that you can just install and it makes it easier for you. Companies nowadays are evolving. They have apps which make it easier for anyone, anywhere to invest. This makes it easy for you to invest at the comfort of your home, in the office, wherever it is that you are. The availability of these apps makes investing accessible to everyone. So the fact that you can start small, it means even the young people can start investing. Just start. It is never too late. They say the right time to plant a tree was yesterday. If you didn't do it yesterday, do it now. 100 Kenyan shillings for 365 days can do wonders. So don't be afraid of starting small with investments. You just have to make the first step and the rest will follow. Be courageous. Don't feel bad about it. Less is more eventually. Just make sure when you start, remain consistent. My second point is cut unnecessary spending and reinvest. Avoid unnecessary spending and the money you save from that, reinvest it in something else. Cut back on non-essential expenses. These are things that are not important. For example, impulse buying and unnecessary subscriptions. Cutting out unnecessary spending frees up money to invest in wealth-building assets. For example, stocks and bonds, real estate, rates, and things like that. If you have a credit card, pay off the amount you owe them and get rid of it to avoid credit card interests, which can be very high. Cut out unnecessary insurance. Always go back and review your policies. They might be overcharging you and you don't know. Another thing, try and find out about your bank account. If it has monthly maintenance fee, find an account that has no maintenance fee. In case you find out that your bank account, has a maintenance fee. Those recurring charges, when you add up, they become a lot of money. And we are trying to grow wealth. Don't forget. Next thing is invest in skills. New skills equals to increased income. Nowadays, online courses are available to everyone anywhere. As long as you have a phone and you have access to internet, you have it. Leverage on free education. Leverage on free resources. Take advantage of these things. For example, YouTube and podcasts. Take your time and learn about wealth building without spending money. You just have to decide and and be willing. Be hungry. Be hungry. My next point is use compounding interest to your advantage. Don't just allow your money sit in a bank account and it is not accumulating more money. Take advantage of compounding interest. This is where your money makes more money. When your money sits in a normal bank account, it's eaten up by inflation. You end up getting less money. It is not worth it. So try and find accounts that have a compounding effect. Try and find accounts that will have a compounding effect on your money. There is power of compounding. Start early because it pays off in the long run. Examples of accounts that have compounding effects are stocks and bonds, money market funds, they call them MMFs, mutual funds, real estate, rates, and also cryptocurrencies, just to name a few. So take advantage of compounding interest. Talk to your bank, do your research, and I'm sure you will find something that just suits you. Don't allow your money just sit. Let money make more money for you. My next point is try and diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. What if the basket drops? You lose everything. We do not want that. So diversify. Learn a new skill, as I said earlier. Do freelancing jobs. They are available. You can offer online services and get paid for that. By diversifying your income, you minimize risk. Also, by diversifying your income, you maximize wealth building opportunities because you'll create more income. You'll not be doing these things for free. More income streams or side hustles can grow over time without major investments. It just needs a little bit of your time. It can help expand your professional network. Do not stick to one stream of income. Find other ways of making money. On to my next point, automate your savings. May it be savings account, investments account, current account, automate them. Automating your accounts makes wealth building effortless. We want more time so that we can be able to do other things. Automating makes things easier for you. All you need to do is set up a recurring transfer from checking to savings or investment accounts, whichever account that you want to fund. It can also be an emergency account. It can be an emergency fund account. Just set up a recurring transfer and everything else, the system will just make it work for you. My last point is network and collaborate. Networking helps in discover new business. It also helps you discover new investment opportunities. Interact with people, exchange information and contacts. When you interact with people, you gain new perspectives on things. You start seeing things different, not just your way. Personally, I am struggling with this networking thing. I am not very good with people, but I am breaking out of my shell. Because I know I have come to learn the advantages that come with it. So, let us network together. Let us try and follow these simple ways so that we can grow our wealth. Well, what's one small change you've made that helped you grow your wealth? Share with us on the comment section. I hope this gets to help someone. If you'd like to see more videos like this, do not forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be notified once we upload another video. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.